Hi! Let's get my coffee. It's in the freezer. Hi guys, what's up? It's 12:30 right now and I have a very busy day. For a change, so I thought, you know what, I'll just vlog everything because for starters, I have to finish filming. Entire setup is done. Already made my coffee, had breakfast. Yeah, so I just have to get done with my makeup. I have to finish my annoying makeup and then I can just start filming. Wow, I'm shooting 2 videos side by side. I am a real YouTuber now. I'm vlogging and there's another thing that's happening there. Do you want to see my room? It's a hot mess. I did this. Why is it overexposed? 1 second. I did the whole setup last night. It's a mess. It's a hot mess. This video I think is going to take like 3 to 4 hours and then I have to get ready again, going to one of my friend's place. Yeah, that's my day. Why am I summarizing it when you'll be seeing everything? Let's quickly do my makeup. Moisturize. Why is the light always so fucked? So let me share a funny story with you guys. Every day I sleep at 5 in the morning. Not that I do anything creative, but it's just that it's my routine. Like, I'm not a morning person, so I sleep around 5ish, sometimes 6ish. Depends on the mood and the situation and the ways I, want to waste my night, my time, my energy. It totally depends on my fucking mood, right? So last night, after so many days, I got the energy to work, right? Because I've been feeling like shit. I'm not motivated at all. I don't know why. I always have excuses to not work. Fuck that. After a month, like yesterday, after a month, I was finally feeling motivated to work and motivated to create content. I did the whole setup and everything, create looks and shit. I also had an entire Red Bull. I'm not kidding you guys. I had Red Bull because I was feeling a little tired. But then I passed out by 1 o'clock. I started filming around, I think, 11:30. And by 1, I was dead. I was so sleepy. That I literally passed out. Can you guys believe it? Like, every day when I'm not doing anything, I literally waste my time by doing nothing at all. But then when I had to work, I was sleepy by 1. That's funny. That was my funny story. I hope you guys can relate to it, or am I the only one who is not normal? Also, I was planning to take a break from social media, but then I realized that it's my fucking job. Instagram is getting so stressful lately, like stressful in a way, like so many people are creating such good content and when you are not doing anything, it really bothers you. Like in my case, it really bothers me. That was happening with me and I was getting super paranoid about things and I fucked up my brows. That's why I should never talk while I do my makeup. Can you guys tell? Oh, totally. What the fuck? Done changing, used my phone for 1 hour. I'm the queen of procrastination.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time.
5:30 after 4 hours, 5 hours. Almost 5 hours. I'm done filming. Now I have to get ready. My friend Parth, he's coming to pick me up. And then we have to go to Kshitij's place. I think we are going to stay there. It's a sleepover. So that's the plan. So I have to quickly get ready. I'm kind of hungry. I also want to eat. Dressing up makes me feel good. It always puts me in a good mood.
So yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in the spit.
1 hour later, I'm finally ready. Let me show you the look. Okay, this is what I'm wearing. After researching so much, I think my outfit still looks like shit. So I'm wearing these black shorts, cute tank top and a shirt on top. I don't know if the light is bad or my mirror is dirty. I think my mirror is dirty. I'm really confused. I think I want to switch the shorts with pants, but it's so hot. What do I do? The outfit is okayish. You know what I mean? It's not that great. Let me clean the mirror first. Anyway, sweating so much. Should I? Let me try trousers on too. Okay, I just changed my shorts to pants. I'm still confused. They look equally bad. Okay, I still have like 15 minutes and I'm hungry, so I think I'll make smoothie and then I can just leave. Where should I keep you guys? I want you to see how I make it. Not that you care, but you need some spinach. I've already chopped it. I'm going to wash it. You have to wash it nicely because it's so dirty. It's always dirty. Can you guys hear me? The water is also making a lot of noise. Keep washing it till you lose like 5-6 leaves. Nice, and it's washed. So add spinach, some peanut butter. A spoon is good enough. You also have to add some chia seeds. What else? Banana. I hate the smell of banana and I also hate the taste of it, but it's good for you, so I always use it in my smoothie. Some almond milk. Before that, we have to add a scoop of protein powder. I don't know why am I sharing the recipe. It's not that great, but I don't have anything else to do. So water and a lot of ice. It looks disgusting, but it's really yummy. Parth is here. He's waiting downstairs. I should quickly leave because I don't want him to wait for me.
There's traffic. So much traffic.
Hi Parth.
So,
I can't keep it here, right? Then it's going to make a lot of noise.
sorry. It's gonna be funny and it's gonna make noise and the camera's gonna fall and it's gonna break.
Yeah, that's my point. So we are going to Shit's place. And
Shit is.
shut up. We have to buy some.
Did you hear that?
No, so we have to buy some alcohol before we. I need to buy wine for myself and for Tushar. So I'll be doing that and then we'll be heading to his place. We are quite late actually. It's 7:45. We were supposed to be there by 6. Super late and we've just left. What else? Oh, you know what? So I didn't have the time to wash my hair, right? So I used the dry shampoo and after using it I realized that it was expired.
I am 200% sure you knew it was expired but you still used it.
Do you think... No, shut up.
You knew it was expired but you still used it,
Do you
didn't
think I'll lose my hair?
Should we try?
Shut up, Parth! And I used a lot of it, not like a tiny amount, a lot of it.
I don't understand the concept of dry shampoo. I think it's disgusting. Wash your hair.
No, it's really good. Like if you're getting.
No, it's not. It's dirty.
How?
How is it like? How can I clean your scalp?
Fuck. I'm I'm not able to talk. It is not supposed to clean your scalp.
Exactly.
So if you have like oily hair,
Just wash your damn hair.
bro, we don't have hair like you.
I used to have long hair. I used to still wash it daily.
It's for emergency purposes.
Yeah. Emergency
fuck you.
purpose. Get up an hour early, wash your hair.
I was working since morning.
No, you weren't.
I
You were
was.
sleeping till 12.
Guys, I'll talk to you and I'll see you guys later. We are at this shady ass Theka. I'm waiting in the car. Parth has gone to get some wine.
Face the camera. Go.
So that's Kshitij and he is super shy. You guys remember him?